Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. By the title you already know, I'm gonna show you how I do my lash clusters at home to get that lash extension look. Because who finna pay $100 to $150 for a full set? I know I'm not. So you want to make sure you always apply the glue on your lashes first. I usually use House of Lashes glue, but I ran out of it, so I had to use the glue that came with these lashes. So I do two 14s in the middle, 12 at the end, and then 10 at the end also, and then a 12 in my middle corner, and a 10 in the middle corner also. My eyes are really little, so yeah. And y'all see me right here, I was getting a little irritated because it was not working, so I had to put the glue on the lash because I didn't have no lash right there. As y'all can see, like, it's nothing right there for real. So like, I had to put the glue on the lash. Another thing, make sure y'all have a little fan. Y'all can get a little fan from Five Below. They have them literally for like $5. I don't know why I'm being cheap and not going to get me one, but I definitely need one. I was really fanning my I was fanning my lashes with my hand. I didn't even have to double stack them or nothing. They so full. I don't like all that dramatic stuff that the girls be doing. I like my stuff real natural. If y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.